Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to message a seller on AliExpress using your smartphone. So whether you have a question about a product or need to discuss an order, messaging the seller directly can be really helpful. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the AliExpress app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are already logged in with your account. You can now explore through the products, or you can directly search for any items over here. So find the product you want to message the seller about. So once you have found the product, tap on it to open the product space. In the product space, here you can see the store icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the store space. Here you can see the contact button at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. You are now in the messaging interface. Here you can type your message to the seller. Be clear and concise about your query or concern. So through this, you can easily connect with the seller. The seller will receive your message and you can wait for the response. That's it. You've successfully learned how to message a seller on AliExpress using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.